Hey everybody, my name's John and this is my YouTube channel, The Lucky Needle. Here at The Lucky Needle, our motto is keeping the trades alive one project at a time. What I try to do here on this channel is share my passion for working with your hands, completing projects on your own, and just the skilled trades in general. We have an emphasis on upholstery related projects, but there's so much more to upholstery than just sewing. So that's why I want to try to bring together all of my different skills and the projects that I do to show you guys what's possible for yourself and what you can do out there. And we just moved from California here to Alabama. We're getting a shop built. So if you guys want to learn all of the mistakes that I make and how to learn from that so you don't have to make the mistakes yourself, come and be a part of our journey. Follow along on this channel and make sure you subscribe.